In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the chat accent color in ChatGPT to create a look that will truly make your conversations stand out. Let's dive right in, and I'll guide you through each step so you can customize your chat appearance to your liking. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and head over to Google. Once there, in the search bar, simply type in ChatGPT. This will help you quickly find the official ChatGPT website among the search results. Once you see it, go ahead and click on the link to open the ChatGPT homepage. Now that you're on the ChatGPT website, you'll want to locate your profile icon. Typically, you can find this icon in the lower left corner of the page. Clicking on your profile icon will open up a menu where you'll find various options. From this menu, look for and click on Settings. This will take you into the Settings page where all the customization happens. Within the Settings menu, navigate over to the General section. This area houses several features that can be adjusted according to your preferences. Among these options, you'll notice one labeled Accent Color. This is where the magic happens. By selecting this, you can begin to personalize the accent color of your chat. Next to the accent color label, there will be an arrow or a drop-down option. Click on this. A palette of colors should appear, offering you a variety of choices to pick from. This palette provides you the opportunity to truly make the chat interface your own. Browse through the available color options until you find one that resonates with your personal style or mood. When you've found your desired hue, simply click on that color. This action will immediately update the chat accent color across your ChatGPT interface, making it instantly reflect your choice. Tying it all together is easy, and you should now see your new selected accent color incorporated into your chat platform, giving it a fresh and personalized look. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you've effectively changed the chat accent color in ChatGPT, giving your chatting experience a visual enhancement that looks both unique and awesome. Remember, you can change this color at any time, so feel free to revisit these steps whenever you're in the mood for a different vibe. Thanks for following along, and enjoy your newly customized chat experience. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks to make the most of your digital interactions.